Sad news coming out of Uganda today. Honorable Hellen Nakimuli, the woman member of parliament for Kalangala District, has tragically passed away at the age of 41. According to reports from Daily Monitor, Nakimuli died on Sunday, April 19, 2026, during a surgical procedure at Alexandria Medical Center in Kampala. Earlier that morning, around 9 a.m., she had reportedly spoken to colleagues, mentioning she was heading to the hospital for what she described as a not major surgery. Tragically, she never made it out of the operating theater. Hellen Nakimuli was a key figure in Uganda's opposition party, the National Unity Platform, and served as the Shadow Minister for Information. She had just been re-elected in the January 2026 general elections and was preparing to begin her second term in parliament. Her sudden death comes just weeks before the swearing-in of Uganda's 12th parliament, making the loss even more shocking for the nation. Nakimuli was widely respected for her advocacy on healthcare, education, and for representing marginalized island communities. Prominent leaders, including Robert Kyagulanyi, have expressed deep sorrow, calling her passing a huge loss for the country. Her legacy as a passionate leader and voice for the people will not be forgotten.